Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks you. First, check your phone model and OS version in Settings. This matters because layout lock options differ by build. Once done, make sure your home app or launcher is updated. Outdated launchers hide controls. You should also back up the current layout or take screenshots. That lets you revert quickly. Now open your launcher's settings and go straight to the home screen or layout section to start unlocking. You're now in the middle of the fix. Find the right toggle. In launcher settings, look under Home Screen, Layout, or Advanced. The control might be called Layout Lock, Edit Mode Lock, or Prevent Rearrange. If you don't see it, check for nested menus like Advanced or Gestures. Manufacturers bury it sometimes. If a device or profile admin blocks changes, temporarily disable that admin in Security Settings. Toggle the lock off. You may need to confirm with your PI. Finish by verifying the layout is editable. Press and hold an icon, drag to reorder, and add or remove widgets. If the home screen still refuses edits, restart the launcher or reboot your device. That often applies settings. Make sure any third-party security apps or work profiles are not reapplying restrictions. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to isolate interference or uninstall launcher updates and reinstall. One key tip: if nothing works, reset the launcher's data after backing up. This clears stuck preferences while preserving system stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.